This Coldwell Banker Wallace property video is presented by Missy Johnson. Adorable SoKno cottage that is super cute and has room to grow. 2-bedroom, 1 BTH, living room / dining room combo, den that opens to kitchen, awesome enclosed porch area currently used for laundry and storage west / stone floor. Pretty hardwood flooring, stone patio, 1-car garage, storage shed, concrete crawl space area, plus attic and unfinished basement can add to your square footage. Updates include Trane HVAC, B-dry system in basement, vinyl windows, 3 ornamental storm doors, leaf guard, 3D roof 2011, some plumbing, and pretty landscaping. Just minutes to downtown, UT campus, Baker Creek Preserve, and Sevier Avenue Brewery District. Sweet house, ready for your cosmetic touches. Sold as is. Status of fireplace unknown. For more information, review the details below or contact Missy Johnson at 865-584-4000.